Today's a great day to maybe just cuddle up under, but this is right up your alley because I know you're such a bookworm, which we love, but why not? 20 minutes a day, that's all you need, whichever school district you go to,
And you can go longer than 20 minutes
Yeah.
if the book's really good. It's not going to hurt you. That was my mom voice.
Well, it's called Snow What Fun. And
so cute.
the snow is not going to be fun this upcoming weekend at all, Maddie.
Yeah, good time to teach the kids just about snowfall. And yeah, we've got some of that moving in, and that's maybe a little excited for the kids out there. As far as the adults, though, we got some serious issues, though, as far as the weather. Not just the snow, we've also got some cold and wind moving in as well. Here's the latest look outside here in downtown Columbus. It's quiet outside, a sleepy Tuesday morning. We've got cloudy conditions and 22 degrees right now. All right, show the kids this. That Arctic air that's across Canada right now, going to be diving southward, so really cold air we don't see around here that often, moving in across Ohio heading into the weekend. With that said, let's get to your high temperatures over the next 7 days. And, you know, for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday or Thursday, not too bad. We're actually in the 30s and 40s. But as we head towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, these are the high temperatures only in the teens. 12 degrees, the forecast high for Saturday. That's dangerous cold too. All you need is to add a little bit of wind to it and you get those dangerous wind chills. So let's get right to your wind chill forecast, starting with Thursday at 11 o'clock. Things seem quiet, but then here comes that cold air rushing in quickly. When we wake up at 4 a.m. feeling more like -3, and the later we get into the day on Friday, the colder it's going to feel, which again, typically the warmest part of the day is during the afternoon. That is not going to be the case for Friday, feeling more like 25 below zero. That is some seriously cold air. We stay that cold as we go through Friday night, heading into Saturday, and even Saturday afternoon, still looking cold, feeling more like -13 outside by 1 o'clock. It's all going to be driven in from the winds, and the winds along with this area of low pressure are serious stuff. Looking at those winds increasing as we go through early Friday morning with wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. This latest update with the forecast model shows some spots just north of Columbus upwards to 60 miles per hour. So yeah, we're looking at some seriously windy conditions heading into Friday. Winds begin to die down a little bit as we head into Saturday, but still very gusty. It's just going to be a windy stretch for us as we go from Friday heading into Saturday. Then all you need is even more, right? This is what the kids get all excited about, the snow chance. And yes, we are looking at accumulating snow heading into Friday. This is the big board here. Our winter storm on the way. I think we're dry and quiet for the next couple of days, but it's Thursday we begin to watch as rain fills in from the south. Low pressure gets closer towards us. That cold air begins to move in. That rain transitions to snow. Now, it is still too early for those snowfall amounts. I know everybody wants to talk about that, but we just don't have that yet. We will have a better idea starting with tomorrow. So check back with us because everybody wants to know how much snow we're looking at. Heading into Friday morning, that snow really coming down as we go through Friday afternoon as well. And then as we head towards Saturday, layer air low pressure kind of moves off to the north. A lot of that snow begins to taper off, but the cold, the sub-zero wind chills will be staying with us. Again, here's what we're looking at with this winter storm. We know the timing now. We know it's going to be a rain to snow mix. As far as the forecast details with the amounts, we're going to be watching that as we go through the next 24 hours. But no matter what, the winds are going to be blowing the snow everywhere. So even if we pick up an inch to say 6 inches, it really doesn't matter, especially if you're going to be traveling, because with that howling wind, that snow, even if it's just an inch, is going to be going everywhere. Again, 40 to 50 mile per hour winds, and then you add in the dangerous cold. This is not the day to be traveling. If you are having plans to be traveling Friday, I would go ahead and change that. Maybe go ahead and change that to Thursday, or maybe even change that to Saturday. Heading into the next 10 days, here's what we're looking at. You can see we've got that rain to start, then snow closing out for our Thursday. Friday is the most impactful day. Again, we've got the wind, the extreme cold, and the snow. Once again, I wouldn't even be on the roadways, even if it's to go 10 miles down the road to your grandma's house. I would definitely try to be traveling Thursday or during the afternoon on Saturday. As we head into, of course, the upcoming weekend, it stays cold out there. We're looking at both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures only in the teens. As you leave the house today, tune into 94.7 FM, sunny 95 for the most up-to-date Doppler 10 weather updates.